In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video course files in Kajabi. We'll start from the Kajabi dashboard and walk all the way through adding a video to a lesson inside one of your courses. This is a straightforward process, but it helps to follow it in the right order so your video ends up in the correct place and your lesson is set up properly for students. Once you're on your Kajabi dashboard, go to the Products area. This is where Kajabi organizes the content you're building and selling, including courses. After opening Products, click on Courses to view the list of courses available in your account. From there, select the course title where you want to add your video file. This opens the course structure, where your modules and lessons are organized. If you already know exactly where the video belongs, that will make this part faster, because the next step is creating the lesson that will hold the video. Inside the course, click Add Content. Kajabi gives you different content options here, and for a video training file, you'll want to choose Lesson. This creates a new lesson entry where the video will live. Now type in the lesson name. Make the title clear and descriptive so it's easy for students to understand what the lesson covers. A good lesson name also helps keep your course organized, especially if you're uploading a lot of videos at once. After naming the lesson, choose the module where the lesson will be added. This is important because it determines where the lesson appears in your course outline. If your course is divided into sections, categories, or weekly modules, make sure you place the lesson in the correct one before continuing. Once that's done, click Create Lesson. Kajabi will generate the lesson for you and place it into the module you selected. After the lesson has been created, click Edit so you can open the lesson settings and begin attaching your video. Inside the lesson editor, go to the Media section. This is where Kajabi lets you attach the main content file for the lesson. In the Media options, click Video. That tells Kajabi that this lesson is going to use a video file as its primary media type. Next, click Select from Media Library. This gives you access to Kajabi's Media Manager, where you can either choose a video you've already uploaded or bring in a new one. If the video is not already in your library, click Upload Video. Kajabi gives you several ways to upload. You can choose My Device if the video file is saved directly on your computer. Depending on your setup, you may also see options to upload from cloud storage services or use a direct link. If your video is on your computer, stay with My Device. Then click Select Media. This will open your file browser so you can locate the correct video file and upload it into Kajabi. Make sure you choose the right file version before confirming, especially if you have multiple edits or exports with similar names. Once selected, give Kajabi a moment to process the upload if needed. After the video has been added to the lesson, click Save. This is the final step that confirms your changes and makes sure the lesson keeps the attached video. If you skip saving, the upload may not stay linked to the lesson, so it's always worth double-checking before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a video course file to a lesson in Kajabi. If you're uploading multiple lessons, repeating the same workflow can help you stay organized and keep your course structure clean from the start.